What if restoration doesn't look like how you've always envisioned it? I think the American church personally has gotten so far into promising everybody that is ever encountered that their next season is about to be the best season. They're coming out of one season and walking into the greatest season of their life. I really do believe that there's a lot of bigger points that could be missing the more we eat on messages like that. Don't get me wrong. God still heals. God still delivers. God is still very well involved in our day-to-day lives and how we move in this earth. And I want to challenge you that perhaps your restoration may not look the way you've envisioned it. Restoration may not look like you stepping into something new, but restoration might look like letting go of what's been hurting you, what you've been holding on to all these years. Restoration may not look like new levels and new heights. Restoration might just look like learning to be consistent and being content in what God has given you where you are, being content with his presence where he is, where you are. And in the end, no matter what earthly circumstance you might be in, as bad or great it might be, the ultimate hope in restoration is that we will be in eternity with our Father, and our moment isn't our always. Think about what you've envisioned restoration to look like, because it's possible that God might be offering something a little bit different. But because we're so focused on wanting it to be what we envisioned it to, we might be putting ourselves at a deficit and overall missing God.